how to find edit store labels on Ecwid. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find edit store labels settings. First open your browser and now click on here, click settings, and here we'll find edit store labels. And then answer here, all you need to do just click get started, and that's it. Now just search for any label you want, and that's it. Here you can manage it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.